In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Shopify store live, or in other words, how to publish your Shopify store. This is an excellent option if you're looking to open up your digital doors to the public and start selling your products online. So let's dive right in and transform your Shopify store from a hidden gem into an accessible online marketplace. First, you'll need to access your Shopify admin dashboard. To do this, open your preferred web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll find various menu options. Go ahead and click on My Store. This is the central hub for managing everything related to your online business. By starting here, you're laying the groundwork for a seamless transition into a live store. Once you've navigated to My Store, your next move is to click on the Online Store option. Located on the left-hand sidebar, this tab gives you control over everything the public will see when they visit your site. The online store section holds key settings for your store's appearance and functionality. It's essentially the area where you can tweak and customize the facade and user experience of your online shop. After entering the online store section, you'll see several options laid out before you. Look for the Preferences tab and give it a click. This section houses various settings that are crucial for the fundamental operation of your site, including your store's metadata and SEO preferences, and it's also where you'll disable password protection to shift your store from private to public. Now that you're in the Preferences area, direct your attention to the section labeled Password Protection. By default, most Shopify stores have this protection enabled to prevent unapproved public access while you're still setting things up. To make your store live for everyone to explore, you'll need to deactivate this setting. Find the toggle or checkbox for password protection and turn it off or uncheck it. It's as simple as that. This action is the final step in making your store viewable and ready for customer interaction. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now live and accessible to the world. Remember, this is a huge milestone, and from here you can continue customizing and perfecting your store's offerings and layout. Customers can now explore your products, make purchases, and enjoy the unique shopping experience you've crafted. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!